Got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, dog, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat, you name.
This is pretty damn good. Hey, what's going on, you guys? We are doing a fun holiday punch. It's a peppermint punch drink just in time for freaking Christmas. We just got over Thanksgiving, and I appreciate all the love you showed me on my jerk turkey video. Thumbs up to you guys. I appreciate all the love and all the people that tried it and sent me videos and pictures that I can post on my Instagram. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But now we're getting into Christmas. We're getting into some holiday vibes, you know what I'm saying? So we are gonna have fun with some peppermints and some peppermint whipped cream and some mint cookies and cream ice cream, and we're gonna make a fun punch, okay? And don't forget the eggnog, because we need that too, okay? If you have not already liked, commented, and subscribed to my videos or my channel, make sure you do that. It really helps your girl out, okay? It helps me out tremendously. It helps me push out more content. It helps it make it get seen, okay? So do that for me. And also head over to my Instagram at eatdeliciously_ and follow me there, okay? So now that I got all my plugins out the way, now we can really start this video. Let's go. So you want to start with some candy cane or some type of peppermint. You can use regular whipped cream, but I used peppermint whipped cream. I used a mint cookies and cream ice cream, salsa water, eggnog, and if you want to add some rum or vodka in there, you can do that. So take your candy cane, unravel it. It doesn't matter if it breaks, because we're going to end up crushing it, and this is what we're going to use to rim our glass. Don't mind me here, I'm just doing the most per usual. But like I said, we're going to crush these, so put it in a Ziploc bag and bang, bang, bang. I ended up using a wrench because I wanted it smaller, but you can use a hammer or rolling pin. Take your ice cream, put it into a blender. I'm using 2 scoops. And I'm going to pour enough eggnog just to cover the top, and then a dash of salsa water. I'm adding food coloring because I wanted mine to be a pretty red, festive holiday color. And I'm just going to blend that up until it's nice, smooth, and creamy. Now we're gonna rim our glass with the crushed peppermint. You can use simple syrup, lemon juice, honey, whatever's gonna help your peppermint stick to the rim of the glass. That's what you wanna use. And you're gonna pour that mixture right in. You're gonna garnish it with a candy cane. And there you go, simple as that. So pretty, so festive, a nice holiday drink. Feel free to add some whipped cream on the top of that. Add some vodka, add some rum. It's time to get lit this holiday. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram at eatdeliciously_. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And let me know what more type of content you would like to see on my page. Thank you again, guys. See you next time.